Quinta, and I'm currently taking gap year and traveling the world. Right now, I am in Coron in the Philippines with my mom. We are spending the next 3 days here exploring the island. So to get from Manila to Coron, we took a flight. This flight was really short. It was only 45 minutes. And it was on this really small plane, which my mom was scared of. But it was pretty cheap. It was only $50. And yeah. Come with us to explore this beautiful island. Just went through a stroll through this town here and walked into a lot of shops and just checked it out. I bought this necklace and this bracelet, so I'm just an island girl now. And we're in our hostel room right now. We have 2 bunk beds. We stayed at Dayon Hostel in Coron, which is right in the center of the town. And we got a private room with 2 bunk beds, which was only $30 a night. The hostel had a really nice rooftop area with a bar and lots of board games, and we took full advantage of that. And now we're going to hike up the mountain. It's not really that big. It's like, what was it, 700 steps up or something?
Yeah, something like that.
Just steps. And then we're gonna see the Coron Hollywood sign. Here we go. Good morning from Coron. We are getting ready to go on our boat tour today. We have my new dry bag that I got for Sinterklaas with all our stuff so it doesn't get wet. I'm really excited to go. We're gonna do lots of snorkeling and it's gonna be really nice. See ya. Good morning. We are now walking to the ferry ports to buy a ticket for tomorrow to go to El Nido, because there's only one ferry every day that goes, and this one's going to be at 6 a.m. so we can't buy tomorrow, so we have to buy today. So we have one last full day here in Coron. We don't have a plan of what to do yet. We want to just go to the beach, but there's no like beach on like this island where the town is. They're all like on different islands, so we would have to get a boat to one of these beaches, so we're going to try to do that. So we successfully bought a ferry ticket to El Nido for tomorrow. It leaves at 6 a.m. and takes like 5 hours, so nice and early. It was pretty expensive. It was 2,800 pesos for one ticket, which is like converts to like 50 USD, which is a lot for here. We did find an agency where we booked a private boat so we can get to a beach on a different island, 'cause we are going back to the hostel now to get some more cash because we don't have enough. And then we're off to more islands. On our own little boat for today. Oh, it's not starting. Uh-oh. Stranded at sea. Good job. Here we go. There's a lot of other people right now on the beach because the tours have luggage time right now. But in an hour or two, they should all be gone, and then we have the beach for ourselves.